welcome. It's been a while, and yeah, I'm going to bath right now. I just woke up, and yeah. I need to organize my table, and yeah, a bit of design. I got my certificate of being a prefect because it inspires me, and yeah, so let me go and wash my dishes. I just did this today, and yeah, there will be some information later today, and yeah, that's a nice book to read if you like to communicate with people. And that's my Rubik's Cube, and yeah, I know how to solve one. And let's go and yeah, wash the dishes. One day, yeah, I'm tired. People are going to school. I realized that. Yeah. Hola. So, I realized that I went to wash the dishes and I forgot something important. Just imagine. All this way. Imagine, bruh. And yeah, see guys. The nicest thing that I know is that people don't know that I'm famous. Yeah. What the hell are you doing? Bro, I'm vlogging, bro. Don't you know that I'm famous? I've been gatekeeping everything, bro. So I'm sure this is the good angle. I'm famous, bro. Don't you know?
You're recording yourself washing dishes?
Yeah. They said I should vlog for them back home.
Hey, Jesus.
What is the name?
They wanna see you cleaning, bro.
Huh?
They wanna see you washing, bro.
Yeah. Everything, even in the toilet.
Really?
Let's imagine. Yo. But everything is good, bro. I got my 60 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Soon to be 1K. Yeah, you gotta be delusional. Yeah, you have to be delusional.
Nah, it could work though.
Yeah.
It could work, G.
Maybe in 5 years.
5 years,
I will have more subscribers than Mr. Beast. I'm joking. I'm joking. Yeah. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. My lucky 62 subscribers. Until I until I love you. Hey. How you doing? Are you good? Yeah? Sure. This is a Sherry. Yeah, I don't have classes today. Yeah. There is no practicals. They send the message. They send it on the group. They said there's no practicals today. Yeah. Yo. Ish. Check it like on the group, bruh. Check it. Shit. Let me check it. I thought I had no classes today, but I found out that I have practicals to do. Information management. Like, what the fuck, bruh? Like, why? Why now? Why? But thanks to that, bruh, I confused 2 modules, bruh. 2 modules instead of I was going to be cooked, bruh, on my first week. But it is what it is. At least I did something. Yeah, I washed the dishes. I have to do the laundry, fold my clothes, and put them in the closet. And yeah. See you guys. I'm going to class. Practicals. What am I going to do, bruh? Yeah, but yeah. See you soon, bruh. See you soon, my 60 subscribers. At least the one can pass. Like saying about the things.
Yeah.
Done for the day. Fucking done for the day. So yeah, off to my rest. Sure. See you. Wow, I never took this place at night. Yeah, if you can see me or you can't, or you hear my voice, I'm from the 24-hour studying, as you saw on the last clip. Yeah, man, I'm on my way to eat and sleep because I'm tired. And yeah.
Everything we share is information, but we share it in the form of messages. Okay? You might now in the electronic environment, emails, SMSs, memos, chat functions. We are
Kan orang tadi politics ini.
Definitely. And all my transfer.
Miss nothing. Thank you. I would like you to stand here in front of this. I want to take a picture of you with all these students. Please stand here in front and please smile like the tutor smile. And please stand here if you don't mind. Can you give them a big hand?